What's up guys, on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make your digital signature in Photoshop the easy way. This is not very complex, so just follow the tutorial and let's dive in and see what we have. So now on my screen I have like an already pre-written signature on the paper. So what we're going to do now is we're going to like import it into Photoshop. I just got this from the internet, so we're going to be working with this one as our sample to create our digital signature. So for the first thing we're going to do now is we're just going to go to our layer area and select channels, and with select channels we're going to turn off every other layer there and turn on just the red layer. And after doing that we go to image adjustments and we just go to levels, right? And on levels, when levels comes up, so on levels we're just going to adjust our bright sides. We're going to adjust these knobs to a point where we feel our image is looking more sharp and is looking possibly better than it was, and more concentrated on the white paper, so that although if this was a darker paper, paper becomes brighter to the point where the right top becomes even more darker and sharper and clearer. So after we've done that, we're just going to press OK on levels and it comes up like this. Then what we're going to do next is we're going to go to alternate and click on it to select everything, and to select it inversely we're going to use Ctrl Shift I to invert the selection. It picks only the signature, and then we go to layers. Then we're going to select our solid color and give it any color we want. But for me I'm just going to use black or red rather, and just press enter. Then I'm going to turn off the layer below, which is the layer 1. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to turn off the layer. And now you can see it without the background. It's looking like a PNG without the background. Now it's well selected. Remember, it's not the main logo, we just use shape over it so that it looks a little bit more nicer and sharper. So now I'm just going to crop around the edges to make sure the spaces are small. I'm going to save as a PNG file without the background. I'm just going to save this to my downloads, select PNG, give it any name I decide to give it, any name I like. I'm just going to press save. I'm just going to press OK and good, we're done. So if I close this, I'm going to now load in a sample image and just try this on it and let's see what it looks like. So now we have it imported. I'm just going to drag the logo now, which is here, the red one. I'm just going to drag it into Photoshop. I would also change the color after resizing it now so that it looks good. So I'm going to put it in an area where it's visible, where we can all see it clearly. As you can see, it's no background, it's actually looking cool. It may not be 100% clear because I use a low quality image, but you know what I mean. So I'm just going to double click on this white space here to change the color, goes my color overlay, and change it to white so that it looks really visible. And there we got our digital signature. You can change to any color you like on any kind of document you like. And that's the end of our tutorial. I believe you learned something from this. Stay awesome, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.